Oh, just the way I like it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'll see if I can insert a picture of that pinkness. Thank you, Crawdaddy Forge. He made that knife for me. That baby is razor sharp. Zucchini from the garden. Yeah, grilled zucchini, garlic powder, and provolone and mozzarella blend cheese. Look! You're gonna hear me say it. Zucchini, olive oil, garlic, provolone cheese. Yeah, zucchini out of the garden. Oh, wings. Yes, I got some special wing sauce. Gotta give it a try. Let's eat, shall we? Tossed salad. One of my favorites. You know it. One of my favorites. Ken's Steakhouse chunky blue cheese dressing. Ah, yes. It's awesome. You know, I can't remember if Kurt Danielson sent me this or if I found this at the store. This is mild. I'm going to have to go back and look at what Kurt sent me, but that doesn't matter. It's Texas Pete, it's wing sauce, and it's rated mild. I like hot. Yeah, I like medium. I like wings. Those are good. That's good. And it is mild. There's no heat whatsoever. Yeah, it's messy. But good. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I was lucky I had the wings because you can't find them in my area right now. You can't find them. I had these wings in the freezer. Thank goodness. Where's my beverage? Here we go. Zevia Cola. 0 sugar. This has caffeine in it. I already washed the top off. You never know what they're going to spray on those cans. So I wash that top and wipe it off. Thank you, Carolina Chris, for the koozie. I don't know if you can tell or not. I know Kurt Daniels sent me these. This pepper sauce. Yes. I'm gonna kick it up a notch. But first, before I add that pepper sauce, I'm going to add the hot sauce. Texas Pete regular hot sauce, and this is medium. So we'll just try that out. So this is the Texas Pete wing sauce and the Texas Pete original hot sauce. Oh yeah. That's good. That's not too hot. You know what I'm going to do? Well, I'm going to mix the original with that, with the wing sauce, just to get my, I like that. These are good, but they're messy. Okay, now I got the idea. I'm going to use these Tabasco peppers on with no just with the mild Texas Pete on here, and not the hot sauce, not the original hot sauce, not yet anyway, because I'm going to try both. This is hot. I've tried this before, and yeah, so let's see how hot it is. Immediate. Oh yeah. I mean, almost as soon as I brought to my lips, I could. It was good. There's a sweetness to it. Sweetness comes from the Texas Pete wing sauce. It sure does. You can taste a little more vinegar. That's good. Okay, this has all three: the wing sauce, the pepper sauce, and the original hot sauce. Let's give this a go, shall we? You want to talk about flavor? That's not too hot. It's got some heat, don't get me wrong. By far hotter than just wing sauce by itself. Messy, good. I was hungry.
Is here for you.
BOGO is back. Wright's buy one, get one half off sale is going on now. Buy your first item at Wright's low sale price and get any second item half off the sale price. Mix and match living rooms, bedrooms, dining rooms, recliners, and mattresses, plus their special financing. During the Labor Day, buy one.
I'm going to try something. I'm going to try some wing sauce. Texas Pete wing sauce on the squirrel and on the pork steak. And I'm going to add some Danger Close, which has got the habanero, and it is hot. Yes, it's hot. Got that from Brian. I'll put his link down below. I'm going to mix that with, I'm going to put the Texas Pete on first, and then put this on. And give that a go. give that a try. Wow. Try some of the squirrel. Shot that squirrel this morning. It's never been frozen. Wing sauce. Oh yeah. And some Danger Close. And that has some flavor. Mmm. Wow. Does that have some flavor? That squirrel is excellent. Excellent. Boy, you can taste the smoke. You can taste the heat. Spicy heat. Mmm. It's tender. It's very good. Mmm. A Crawdaddy Forge knife. Thank you, Mark. Another zucchini from the garden. Oh, they are so good. I just love to soak them in. Oh, can you read that? Extra virgin olive oil. Yes. And then splatter some, let me see, where is that? Here it is. The garlic powder. Granulated garlic. Oh, a little of that. And then I like to melt a little cheese. Never fails. That's my Lucy Lou. Yeah, every time I sit down, anytime I turn the camera on, she's a camera hog. She is. She just got a bath, a long bath. Toenails trimmed. Yeah, she got into some tar. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. She's trying to tell me that she was having trouble, and I didn't understand what she was wanting, and then I didn't realize. Then I saw the tar. Oh man, had to stop what I was doing, get right to cleaning her up. She's better now, but she was in a panic before. Bill Goudy and Lucy Lou checking in. Iced tea with a little lemon, no sweetener. It's not a bush. I got a package in the mail. Kurt Danielson sent me some Texas Pete Mexican Texas Pete. Looks so good. Actually, it tastes so good. I'm going to cook up some chicken. It actually could be chicken fajitas. I'm going to use the Dutch oven. You could serve it over rice. You could serve it over noodles. You could eat it just plain. It's just that good. You chunk up the chicken. You chunk up your veggies. I like to make them big. And then I pour in some salsa. That's some of my own homemade salsa. And the only heat I'm using is some jalapeno peppers. I think there's probably 3 jalapeno peppers in there. And of course, no meal is complete without a little Texas Pete. Fire's just about ready. Let's just get to cooking, shall we? I'm going to use a little peanut oil. And I put the chicken in first. Brown it up. Just a little bit. Just so the chicken don't stick. These are 3 chicken breasts. I just cut them up and I use some of that special seasoning that I got from Melissa. I think it's Melissa. Some chicken shit. That's what it's called. Spice. That's really good stuff. Anyway, that's what I'm using to season that up. Let me get my spatula and we'll spread that around a little. Okay, it's been a few minutes and that chicken is browning up nicely. It's not done, nowhere near done, but I'm going to add the veggies now and the salsa and the cream cheese. I almost forgot to tell you about the cream cheese. Got to put cream cheese in there. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I took the liberty of chopping up all my veggies ahead of time a couple hours ago. I got onion, and I big chopped it. I didn't chop it up fine. I got mushroom, I got garlic, a whole head of garlic in there. Peppers, and those are sweet peppers, green peppers. There's 2 jalapenos in here and 1 jalapeno in the salsa. Got to be careful not to melt that bag in there. This is my homemade salsa. It's fresh, not cooked at all. I like to use those cherry tomatoes. They're just, oh man, they are so condensed in flavor. I know someone's going to ask, hey Bill Goudy, how much liquid did you put in there? None. No, the only liquids in there is from the peppers, the onions, the garlic, from the veggies, from the peppers. And a little bit of peanut oil, which you saw I just put enough to cover the bottom of it. And now it's cooking down and it's rendering and getting tender. Now I'm letting those veggies get tender before I add that cream cheese. In fact, I think I'm going to put the lid on it right now and slow it down just a little bit so it gets a little real tender. I don't know, about, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. It's plenty hot fire. You can see how hot that is. But that'll help slow down a little bit the loss of the fluid. You could, I guess you could add some, you know, a vessel of amber fluid if you wanted to and let it cook down. Yeah, you know, that's always an option. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's check it and see what it looks like. Oh, look at the goodness. Look how the volume of liquid increased as those veggies cooked out and that lid held that steam in. I'm putting a whole block of cream cheese. Yes, I washed my hands. And no, nobody else is eating, so it's just me. Me and Lucy. Lucy won't eat this because it's got hot, you know, it's got some heat to it. So I got some regular chicken for her. I'm planning on leftovers. I like it. I like to have the leftovers. That's all part of the plan. 3 chicken breasts in there. 1 green bell pepper, part of a red, yellow, and an orange. So now I'm going to put the lid back on there and take that off the fire. I'm going to cook up my zucchini. I'm just going to let this rest. It's plenty hot. Those of you that watch my channel know that I got this as a gift from Bulldog Bill. Bulldog Bill was a good friend of mine who passed away a few years back. He got this at the farm store. I don't know what he paid for it, but I tell you what, sure comes in handy. Just for deals just like this. I cut those about, I don't know, half, 3/4 inch thick. Soak them in olive oil. Sprinkle them with garlic. And then just right at the end, after when they get done, almost done, I'll add some cheese. I got some pepper jack cheese, habanero pepper jack cheese that I'm going to put on there. It's good stuff. I like it hot. I just remembered I made stuffed mushrooms last night. You've seen me, I've made video of this before of making the stuffed mushrooms. But I'm just going to warm them up on the fire. These are so good. Okay, it's looking good. Let's build one of these, shall we?
Link to an application. ConAgra, an equal opportunity employer.
In here I put low carb tortilla. Yeah, you can see the steam. I don't know if you can see the steam raising. I can see the steam. And that's heating up my tortilla in there, making it soft and pliable. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Lucy, yeah, Lucy Lou's just hanging out, waiting her turn. I had wings the other night. Yeah, I saved some. She can have a couple of the wings. You know what I'm going to add? I got some fresh tomato in there. I'm going to add some tomato to that. Of course, I made it complete. You gotta love this time of year. It's just nice being able to go to your plant and pick a tomato, get a pepper. Look at that. Look at that. You just look at that. I am so hungry. It's nice to be eating while the sun's still shining. It's going down fast, but I got a little more time and I got a little more light. Let's dig in, shall we? Oh, what to have first? Gotta have some zucchini. Zucchini parmesan. Mmm. Wow. That's done just right. Oh, the garlic flavor, the cheese. That's that habanero, jalapeno and habanero jack, and that is good. It's not hot for a guy who likes hot stuff, but it might be hot for people who don't like spicy food. Mushroom. Mmm. Wow. It's even better warmed up. That mushroom is so good. Mm. Chicken fajita with fresh tomatoes and peppers. You just gotta love it. Is this heaven? No, it's Illinois. Yeah, I'll watch that show. This is a campsite of dreams. Mm-hmm. Man, that's good. Lucy's just waiting her turn over there. Gotta go. Got a lot of food to eat. Gotta get cleaned up and do it again tomorrow. Bill Goudy and Lucy Lou out.